Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today there is a new armor update in Prodigy, or shop update in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so if you go to the shop, you can now buy the Dragon Spike Crown, and you can buy the Ruin Dweller helmet, so we'll get that. And there's some more stuff like this, and this, and if we keep going, you can get the Celestial helmet, which is the best helmet in the game besides for the Mirror's Robe. I don't know if this is, you have to have membership to get this, because I already have membership and I already have it. And then if we keep going, there's stuff like this, which we'll get by. There's this, which is new. I believe this is new. This is new. This might be new, and then this is new. And then you can get the Celestial and this. So then there is this page, which there are a bunch of boots which have been previously unobtainable, so I will go ahead and buy all of those. They aren't super good, but like these were items that were unobtainable, so it is cool that we can now catch them. Then this is new, this is new, this is new, this is new, and this is new. So I have not yet checked the one shop, but I guess there will be something new there. Also, there are no new buddies in the shop for you to get. So we'll just go over this way, and we'll check Matcha. I do not think there will be anything in here. Yeah, there's nothing. So let's check the ones, because there are some new legendary items. So we can start off with getting the Dragon's Gem, which has never been obtainable, so we'll buy that. Then there's the Black Knight's Mace, which I'm not sure why I haven't gotten, because I grinded every single arena season when that was out. And then you can get the Dual Blade, Tech Hammer, Ruin Dweller Wand, and the Crystalline Torch. So then if you go to the shop down here, Sky High Values, this has never been obtainable before. The Steamwork Topper, this has been leaked, but you've never been able to get it. And then the Tech Wizard lenses are now legendary, which is cool. And this is really good armor. 303, that's really good. Or maybe, yeah, that's really good armor. Then we have this, which we'll buy. Then if we keep going, there is the Steamwork suit, which has also been leaked for a while, but you've never been able to get it. I have no idea how I've never gotten this before. And then there is the Tech Wizard suit and Retro Rocket spacesuit. Then if we go to boots, there's this Steamwork boots. And this, which is new. Then if we go to wands, there is this, which has been leaked for a while. And then there is this. Pets, there are no new pets. Also, did they remove the buddies? Are the buddies now no longer obtainable? So we'll go to Skywatch and see. Because that would be weird if the buddies were no longer obtainable. But you might actually be able to just get them in... Yeah, so the buddies are no longer obtainable. Maybe you can get them through, like, rewards for completing sections. So let's go to Shipwreck Shore and see what's here. Not sure if any of this is new. This is new for it. So that's legendary. Then this is new. Boots, this is new. Swordfish. I think that was a or maybe it wasn't a member item. I'm not sure. This is new. And then there are new pets. Misty has never been obtainable before. Let's get that. And then you can get yourself a Gator Rain if you want. So now we're in Bonfire Spire. Let's check the merchant. Also, sorry if I'm going a little fast. I have to go somewhere in a few minutes. So the Draconix gear is... Maybe this means that it's not going to be in Summerfest, but it's now legendary. There's the Draconix armor. Some new boots, Magma boots. Are these new? Were these originally in the Titan? Or are these like completely new boots? And then we have all of these. So you can now get a Scovile, which was unobtainable. And also I missed, you can now get Magnome, which is pretty cool. Now we're in Shiver Chill, you can buy this, which is legendary. I don't think any of this is new. Then there is this, which we will buy. Nothing else new. These, which are new. Wands. Haven't gotten this before. And then this is new. And you can also buy Shiver Tusk now, which pretty cool. Now we're in Firefly Forest. Let's talk to the merchant shop. So this is new. This is new. This is new. This is new. And then you can get Rumble, which is unobtainable. So you can now get the pencil in the academy. No new buddies and no new furniture. Now we are here in Dino Dig. Okay, so you can now get this. This has been leaked but unobtainable. So this is now here. This is here. Ones. Okay, this has been unobtainable. And then pets. Any new pets? No. I don't think Terramite's in there, though. Okay, Terramite is there, but they switched around the order. I think that might be a glitch. And then I am going to go ahead and check 40. I'm not sure if there will be anything new here, though. Get out of the way. Okay, there we go. Nothing new. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.